Hello kids, welcome back. Today I have some activities about fine motor skills to power up small muscles. The first activity is about coloring using your hands and fingers. So let's start. Here is an activity page. Children will use their thumb impressions to color this beautiful picture. I use watercolor cause these are very smooth and easy to use for kids. This will surely promote children's interest to next level. When they'll use thumb impression, the pressure will increase between their hands and fingers. This will power up their small muscles. This type of coloring will boost up children's fine motor skills and also improves their brain power. Fine motor skills will help to move small muscles of our body parts. It also helps to increase coordination between brain and action. You must have to try this activity with your kids, and now move on to our next activity. Our second activity is also about coloring with finger impressions. I have a small piece of paper here with the title Little Kitten on it. Kids will use their fingers in circular motion and try to make a kitten. Moving fingers in circular motion can make it easier to move and stretch. It is a great way to increase the range of motion in your fingers and strengthen your hands at the same time. Here, again I use watercolor. I simply directed him to make a small kitten with using circle and oval shape. He knows all shapes very well. It can also used for shapes recognition. It's a type of exercise. This will strengthen fingers muscles more effectively. After this, you have to instruct them to draw rest of the body parts of kitten like eyes, nose, ears and tail. It will increase their knowledge and observation about different animals. You can also try different fingerprints drawing with your words. Look at these tasty colorful candies with different colors and patterns on it. You can also try to draw a caterpillar by using different colors and sizes of your fingerprints. Look at this beautiful plane. It's very easy and simple to draw and detailing, and it sounds like Look at this small colorful train. Here I use two colors. You can use many colors to make it more interesting. Creating pictures with fingerprints is very easy. You need some paints, pens and your fingers. You can also use colored ink pads. There are many ideas to draw different things. Now the third one is for brain and eye coordination. You need some simple things to make this game. Let's play with us. Simply you just instruct your child to pick up the cap which one you want. He will move his head downwards to pick the specific color. It needs extra concentration cause the child is not using his hands. He is using his head for this task. He will done this by using his eyes and brain coordination. By giving different tasks means you are powering up your child's mind. Always encourage kids for brain boosting games to improve their brain power. As we all know, brain is the most important part of our body. At any age, you can work towards a better, more efficient brain. This game is also a type of brain exercise. As you learned in previous activity, that exercise will make your muscles bigger and stronger, but that if you stop exercising, the muscles will shrink and become weaker. That's why it's so important to start exercising the brain early. If brain will strong, learning power will also increase. It will help children to enhance their memory level. This will help children in their study also. Their concentration power will boost their memory, problem solving skills, their attention, and even IQ level. There are countless brain boosting games and activities you can play with your children. You can start this game from early age. You will observe your child's concentration level after playing these games. So try all these activities and share your experience in comments. This game will help to power up your brain and eye coordination. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. And for more interesting and informative videos, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.